This 3-bedroom 2-bath 1380 square foot home built in 2005 in the gardens at Blues Creek is maintenance-free living. Alarm system installed in all exterior doors and window. Let the HOA take care of the lawn, exterior of the home and the roof. Then go enjoy the pool, clubhouse and tennis court. The home features an open kitchen design with wood laminate flooring that flows into the dining area and great room. A wonderful storm door has been added to let in the natural light. Double pane windows throughout and additional insulation added. Flooring in attic for storage, air conditioner service contract and Rainbird sprinkler system, and this spacious master bedroom has a walk-in closet, a walk-in shower, inside laundry and 2-car garage. Must see.